This video looks 100% real, but it's actually AI generated. I made this Burj Khalifa construction video using AI in just 5 minutes, and it crossed 5 million plus views. And the best part? You can do this too. No paid tools, no complicated editing. We'll use only free AI tools, and I've linked every single prompt in the description so you can copy exactly what I did. Step 1, prompt setup. First, copy my prompt. The link is in the description. Paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will ask you one simple thing. What is the topic of the video? Step 2, viral topic selection. Now copy my second prompt and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. ChatGPT will generate trending viral topics. Pick one topic, copy it, and paste it back into the video prompt chat. Step 3, script and structure. ChatGPT will now write the full video script for you. It will break the video into a clear structure and scenes, step by step. Step 4, video generation, AI. Next, copy the video prompt scene by scene and paste it into Grok AI one by one. Select the 16:9 ratio and generate the video. It will take a little time. Just let it generate. Once it's done, download the video, open it from your files, and preview it. Step 5, scene by scene build. Now take a screenshot from that video and paste it into Grok AI. Paste the second prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Repeat this process again and again until scene 4. Final editing. Once all scenes are generated, take all the Grok AI videos and paste them into CapCut. Turn off the original music. Add your own sound effects. I used construction, drilling, and industrial sound effects and made some final adjustments, and this is the result you're seeing right now. If you want the exact prompts, they're linked in the description. Try this today, because this method is working right now. Like, subscribe, and comment AI, and I'll help you get started.